Well, today is the day. I have struggled with melting lace on a wig for far too long. We're going to use this old Love Me wig, and we're finally going to get it right. If you ever had a wig that just would not lay flat like Scalp, then stick with me because I'm about to fix this for once and for all.
But I hate the fact that we lost touch.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell and get notified so you don't miss any of my wig wins or my win struggles. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's what we're working with. I had previously washed my wig. I used the Even Lace Tint to spray the wig lace so it can match my skin tone. I'm going to apply the wig so I can adjust the straps in the back of the wig. And I'm going to brush the hair back, and I'm going to use this hair wax to mold the hair back so it'd be easy for me to pin it back. Now I'm adjusting the wig to placing the wig to where I want the wig to lay. Now let's get into the real test. I'm using the Even Wonder Lace Bond glue. You can use any glue that you prefer. Start off by applying a thin layer along your hairline. A very thin layer because you can go back over with the glue later. So I'm just applying the glue where I want my wig to lay. Next, we're going to use a blow dryer on cool until it gets tacky. Now carefully press the lace into the glue and smooth it down with the back of a comb. I'm taking my Even Melt spray and I'm lightly spraying over the edges. Okay, now here's the game changer. This step takes the lace from cute to where is the lace. We're going to tie it down with this melting band and let it sit for 10 minutes. So while the melting band is doing the trick, I'm going to go ahead on and part my hair, and I'm going to curl this wig up. Oh, I think we did it. So we're just gonna go ahead on and clean up the edges, the glue that is still left on my forehead. I'm just gonna wipe that off. And if you have any white cast, use a small bronzer or your foundation to go over the top part of your lace. And there we go. And just like that, we did it. This old Luv Me wig has been brought back to life. What do you think about it? Leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think about it. How did I do? I'm gonna go ahead on and finish up this lace. I'm gonna add some concealer to my part so it can look like it's really my hair. So if you like this today's video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up if you thought this video was interesting. Stay tuned for my wig journey wins and struggles. I think I did a good job. Let me know in the comment box below. This is how we looking.